So what do I have today? Today I have something that I'm really excited to unbox because just the pictures on its own looked absolutely amazing. Will it be amazing? I don't know. The box says mobile watch. Now, it's not quite a mobile watch, it's actually a fully fledged mobile, well, smartphone, but it's about the size of a watch. And once I unbox it, you're gonna see where they got their inspiration from, let's just put it that way. So let's open it up. I bet you're already kind of figuring out what this watch or, well, phone is gonna look like. You get the instruction manual, you get a little USB cable for charging, and I like the way they've actually, you know, usually when you buy this sort of tech from China, it's usually really badly packaged up. This, I mean, look at that, you got a rubber band, but a nice black thick rubber band holding together the cable. Now that's not bad. You know, I mean, you can see they've put a bit of care into the packaging. You know, you got the foam, even the inside is all foamed up. I like it. You got a nice bit of black card here with a SIM card tool. I mean, it's all very nicely packaged. In here is the device. Look at that. Step 2. Please peel off this mask after application completed. Whatever that means. Now it actually comes with a watch strap, so you can, in fact, let me take off my old dumb watch. I mean, it's a bit chunky for a smartwatch. I mean, but it can fit on your wrist. It looks a bit chunky. It looks a bit like something straight, I don't know, something you would see on Futurama, you know. But nevertheless, let's take it out of its watch case. Look at that. We're going to look at the watch case in a minute. Oh, oh, oh! This is nice. Look at that. Wow. I really like the way this looks. I mean, they have obviously copied the iPhone. I mean, but they've copied it well. I mean, it doesn't even feel like a cheap knockoff. It feels like a shrunken down iPhone. If you take the iPhone and actually compress it into this size, into this form factor, that's what it feels like. And it's tiny. Really tiny. Look at it. Wow. I really like this. This is something I would use on a daily basis. I mean, yo, what's going on? What's happening? Yeah, I mean, I don't know, but I don't know if you use it like that. But look, I mean, it's got the volume rocker keys. It's got a camera at the back. It's even got the writing, which all it says is Smart Mini Digital Products made in China, but nevertheless, they took the effort to try and copy the iPhone by, you know, adding a little bit of writing at the bottom here. SIM card slot, and I'm assuming on-off button, charging port, and a microphone. There's no front-facing camera, but to be honest, I don't care. I do not care. That feels amazing, and I think it is real metal. I mean, it feels like a proper aluminium designed, you know, I mean, the back is plastic, but that feels really good. All right, let's get a SIM card installed. And yeah, I mean, does it take memory cards? Okay, so I can't see anywhere where it says it can take memory cards. And unfortunately, I do think it's like the iPhone where you can't take out the battery, so you can't get inside without finding the screws and, you know, open it all up. And that's something we're not going to be doing today. Look at this. Camera. Support 0.3 million, spelled correctly actually, Apple camera. Apple camera, okay. So this is a 0.3 million Apple camera at the back. So someone asks, what kind of camera does this device have? Well, it has a 0.3 million Apple camera. The opening. That worked very nicely. Dun, 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 dun. It does have a memory card slot. So that's actually quite neat. It has a memory and SIM card slot all in one. So let's pull out my trusted memory card and SIM card. It's very fiddly, but you won't be having to do this very often. Let's slide it in. There we go. Are we ready to peel off the screen protector? Very, very nice. Wow. Okay, there seems to be a second screen protector underneath. Well, these people really do get... Ooh. Ooh, now that one. That. Ooh. Look at it. Look at it against the LED lights. When I... Ooh, look at that shine. That looks nice. I love this device already. I don't care. I don't even care if it switches on or not. I just love the way it looks and feels. Look at that. Alright, let's boot it up, shall we? Sports watch. There we go. That's not bad. Oop, what have I done? So how do I... Okay. So what do we have? So you got the dialer, phone book, call logs, messaging, pedometer, reminder. Sleep monitor maybe, something about drinking, quick response settings, BT Connect, remote, sound recorder, ebook reader, Bluetooth music, alarm, stopwatch, remote camera, find my, well, not iPhone, but calendar. I like how they're copying the iOS. Calculator, camera, image viewer. You know what? I mean, considering it's so small, they've designed it very well to fit with the size of the screen. File manager, video player, video recorder, and a few other random things. Let's check out the camera first and foremost. You know what? That doesn't actually look bad. Maybe it's just a screen. Let's try and take a picture. Let's try and take a selfie, shall we? I don't think it has video recording. You see that? Can you see that? Look at that. That's not bad. That's pretty decent. Very difficult to take a selfie on this device. Alright, we got one. I mean, let's do some close-up shots or something. So let's get my old watch. Let's get a nice close-up. Now, obviously, you're not going to be using this as a camera. The fact that it does have a camera, I think, is more just so it looks cool. I don't think anyone would be in the right mind to actually use this as a camera. Okay, video recorder. Oh, it does have a video recorder. All right, let's record something. Yo, have a look at that. That doesn't look too bad. On this screen, it looks okay. That's what I'm saying. On this screen, it looks all right on the screen. But, you know, I know the screen is tiny, so anything would look all right on it. But I actually got okay hopes with this camera. I think it might be all right. So this is a good test. We're going to watch this back and have a look. No, you can't pinch the zoom, unfortunately. The screen isn't great. It's not very reactive. It looks okay. It's just it's not reactive. It needs to have a little bit more power, you know. Audio player. Let's try it. Empty. It's not empty. I've loaded stuff up on this memory card. Messaging. So how would you write a message on this? It's so tiny that it is difficult to type on. But I just want to write is. Oh my. Yeah. This would drive me insane. You know, you can enter a number, go on your phone book. I'm going to send it to 999. I'm joking. Emergency services, just get a text message saying hello. Let's test the sound recorder. Yo, yo, yo. This is another test of the sound recorder. 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. Yo, yo, yo. This is another test of the sound recorder. 1, 2, 3. Very quiet, very, very quiet. So I have put, see, an MP4 file there, but it, for some reason, cannot handle MP4. And I've put a music file. Oh, it can play music. Here we go. That's... You know what? It's not bad. I'm not gonna hate it. That is not bad. That's better than I expected. That's not bad. I mean, you can play little videos on it. I mean, you're not going to watch a movie on this device, but, you know, for the odd little bit of video there, I mean, it'll do the job. I mean, that's slick. I like it. It's slick. It's a slick looking device. It's not a great multimedia device, but after all, at the end of the day, you can hook it up with your phone via Bluetooth and you can use it as a dialer. You know, you can do general basic things with it, but as a standalone phone, you can make calls, you can text if you need to, you can't access the web. There was no web browser at all. But, I mean, look, it's a pile of crap, I know. It's never gonna, it serves really no purpose. It's never gonna replace your phone. It's never gonna replace your smartwatch. I don't even know what the hell it is. But, do I care? Do I care that it's a rubbish device? Honestly, no. Really, honestly, I don't. I can't describe to you the feeling of holding this device. I mean, it feels magical. It feels just amazing. I love the dimensions. I love the build quality on it. I love the way it looks, the weight of it, the way it feels. It is like my personal wet dream. I don't know why. Price-wise, it cost me £33, which is about $43. So it's quite expensive for a useless item, but still, I mean, I love it. I'm honestly, I'm in love with it. I absolutely adore this thing. At the end of the day, it's a pile of crap, I know. It has no purpose. I'm not gonna tell you or recommend this product to you. I really can't. I'd be the biggest douchebag on the planet if I said go out and buy this, because you're gonna get it and you're gonna realize, well, I can't do anything really with it, you know? But if you're anything like me and you're just intrigued by the way it looks, I can't describe to you how it feels. It feels absolutely fantastic to hold. It is an amazing thing just to hold and to look at. And for that, £33, yeah, I'm more than happy to pay £33. The screen is actually very good. The quality of the screen is actually very decent. It's got that nice curved glass and the attention to detail around the edge, how they've kind of brushed the aluminium, you know, brushed the edges down and curved it at the back. Really, really nice build quality. I have to say, this is on par with a real iPhone in terms of build quality. The only thing I will say is bad are the buttons on the side here. They're not clicky, they're very spongy. But other than that, really, really good build quality. Absolutely fantastic. I don't know, get it if you want. I will leave a link to it in the description. I am blown away by this thing. I absolutely adore it. If you want to see more of these weird little quirky tech products being reviewed and unboxed and a lot more other stuff which isn't so quirky but more useful, then go ahead and subscribe. Also turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon so you never miss any of my new uploads. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, feed your mind.